Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
Today, I want to introduce you to a truly game-changing tool, especially if you're in business, education, marketing, or just someone looking to bring AI into your daily workflow in a simple yet powerful way. It's called DANTE AI. DANTE AI is a platform that lets you create smart AI chatbots super easily. No coding, no tech skills needed. Just upload a file. It could be a PDF, Word doc, PowerPoint, or even a website link. And DANTE AI will instantly generate an intelligent assistant that can explain, answer, guide, and support your users, students, customers, or team, completely on autopilot. Powered by advanced GPT-4 technology, DANTE AI understands natural language smoothly and accurately. That's what really sets it apart from other AI tools out there. It's not just a basic chatbot. It's a customizable virtual expert trained on the exact content you upload. Let's say you're running an online course. All you have to do is upload your course syllabus, and DANTE AI will help your students get answers to any related question, like having a teaching assistant that never sleeps or takes breaks. Or maybe you sell a product and have a manual. Instead of making your customers read through the whole thing, just embed a DANTE AI chatbot on your site and let it do the answering 24/7. The interface is super user-friendly, even if you're brand new to this stuff. After signing up, you just follow a few easy steps to get your first chatbot live. Pick your bot type, upload the content, wait a minute for AI to process it, then copy and paste the embed code into your website. That's it. The free plan lets you create one chatbot and test it with up to 100 messages. If you upgrade, you unlock more features, like uploading multiple files, API access, and detailed chat analytics. What I really love is how customizable the chatbot is. You can change the colors, the icon, even give your AI bot a unique name, all with just a few clicks. No tech background, no developer needed. And if you're a freelancer or agency, you can actually offer chatbot creation as a paid service to your clients. Or if you're into affiliate marketing, DANTE AI has a partner program that lets you earn commissions while sharing the tool. When I tested it with my personal WordPress site, it worked like a charm. The chatbot responded quickly, gave accurate answers, and felt supernatural. Honestly, some users even thought it was a real human support agent chatting with them. Compared to other tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI, what makes DANTE AI stand out the most is its ability to live on your website and give real-time answers based on your actual documents. That's a huge win if you're looking to automate customer support, product guidance, or employee training. Of course, no tool is perfect. The free version of DANTE AI does come with limitations, and if you want multiple bots or integrations with other platforms via API, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. But when you consider everything it offers, a fully customizable, smart assistant that's easy to launch and useful in tons of situations, the value is totally worth it. So if you're looking for a smart, hassle-free way to bring AI into your business or daily work without needing tech skills or a developer, DANTE AI is absolutely worth trying out today.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing
This AI.
to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.